Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate AI music with ElevenLabs. Okay, let's get into it guys. Usually I use Suno AI to generate a music, but for today, I'm going to use ElevenLabs to generate AI music. Okay, first of all, you can visit ElevenLabs.io and then you're going to sign up to this website with your Google account, and then you can go to the home and you will see the menus here. You can choose music. I'm going to select music, and then I'm going to create music with the AI. Okay, you can describe your music here, and for the prompt, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. Okay guys, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me. I'm going to create ballad music, and then I'm going to paste the prompt to, I'm going to copy it and paste it here on the description, and then you can click on generate. And then the AI will generate a music for you according to your description. Alright, and now it's done, and let me play the music. Okay, and that's how the music sounds like. I trace the days we spent. Okay, even the AI add lyrics to the music, and the AI create a song for me. But if you just want to create instrument, you can add more detail about the instrument. You can ask the AI to create instrumental only, and the AI will generate instrument only for you or music only for you. Okay guys, and that's all the way to generate music with ElevenLabs. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!